Now, as I explained, I like to use inks on a smooth surface, either a white surface or that natural wood color. But you can also, of course, use inks on a textured surface. So what happens if you drop it into a textured surface? There's, of course, a myriad of ways to develop this ink surface further. So I'm going to show you a few ideas of things that I've done, and I really love to add that textural surface to my work as well. Pen and Indian ink. Also, accretion, adding wax on top of the surface. Of course, there are so many wonderful clay tools to use to remove wax from your surface.